How to clean boxing gloves. Regularly cleaning your boxing gloves is essential to maintain hygiene, prevent odors, and extend their lifespan. Sweat, bacteria, and moisture can accumulate inside and outside the gloves, leading to unpleasant smells and potential health risks. Below are detailed, step-by-step instructions for cleaning and maintaining your boxing gloves effectively. Materials needed: mild dish soap or antibacterial soap, warm water, clean microfiber cloths or soft sponges, spray bottle, optional, for cleaning solution, white vinegar or disinfectant spray, for example, Lysol, baking soda or odor neutralizing powder, glove deodorizers, optional, for example, cedar chips or commercial glove deodorizers, small fan or well-ventilated area, rubbing alcohol, 70% isopropyl, optional for disinfecting, clean, dry towel, leather conditioner, if gloves are leather. Step-by-step cleaning instructions. Step 1. Prepare the gloves. Remove excess debris. After training, remove the gloves from your gym bag immediately to prevent moisture buildup. Shake out any loose debris, such as dirt or dust, from the inside and outside of the gloves. Air them out. Open the gloves as wide as possible and place them in a well-ventilated area to let them air out for at least 10 to 15 minutes before cleaning. This helps reduce moisture and prevents bacterial growth. Step 2. Wipe down the exterior. Prepare a cleaning solution. Mix a small amount of mild dish soap or antibacterial soap with warm water in a bowl or spray bottle. Avoid using harsh chemicals like bleach, as they can damage the glove material. Clean the surface. Dampen a microfiber cloth or soft sponge with the soapy solution. Ensure it's not soaking wet. Gently wipe down the exterior of the gloves, focusing on areas with visible sweat, dirt, or grime, such as the palm and thumb areas. Leather gloves, if applicable. For leather gloves, use minimal water to avoid oversaturating the leather. If the gloves are synthetic, you can be slightly more liberal with the solution but still avoid soaking them. Rinse the cloth. Rinse the cloth or sponge with clean water and wipe the gloves again to remove any soap residue. Step 3. Disinfect the exterior. Apply disinfectant. Lightly spray the exterior with a disinfectant spray like Lysol, or use a cloth dampened with a 1-to-1 mixture of water and white vinegar or rubbing alcohol. This kills bacteria and helps eliminate odors. Focus on seams. Pay attention to seams and stitching, as bacteria can accumulate there. Be gentle to avoid damaging the stitching. Wipe off excess. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth to wipe away any excess disinfectant to prevent it from soaking into the material. Step 4. Clean the interior. Access the interior. Open the gloves as wide as possible to reach inside. If the gloves have a narrow opening, use a cloth wrapped around your fingers or a small sponge. Wipe with cleaning solution. Dampen a cloth or sponge with the same mild soapy solution used for the exterior. Gently wipe the interior, focusing on areas where sweat accumulates, such as the palm and finger compartments. Disinfect the interior. Lightly spray or wipe the interior with a disinfectant spray, white vinegar solution, or rubbing alcohol. Be cautious not to oversaturate the padding, as it can absorb moisture and take longer to dry. Remove soap residue. Use a clean, damp cloth to wipe away any soap or disinfectant residue inside the gloves. Step 5. Dry the gloves properly. Air dry. Place the gloves in a well-ventilated area, preferably near a fan or in a room with good airflow. Avoid direct sunlight or heat sources like radiators, as these can damage leather or cause synthetic materials to crack. Open the gloves. Keep the gloves open to allow air to circulate inside. You can stuff them loosely with clean, dry paper towels or newspaper to help absorb moisture and maintain their shape, but avoid overstuffing. Drying time. Allow the gloves to dry completely, which may take 12 to 24 hours depending on the humidity and ventilation. Do not use the gloves until they are fully dry to prevent mold or bacterial growth. Step 6. Deodorize the gloves. Neutralize odors. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda or odor neutralizing powder inside each glove. Let it sit for 8 to 12 hours. Overnight is ideal to absorb odors. Shake out the excess powder afterward. Use glove deodorizers. Insert commercial glove deodorizers, cedar chips, or dryer sheets into the gloves to keep them smelling fresh. Replace or refresh these deodorizers regularly. Optional vinegar soak. For persistent odors, lightly dampen a cloth with white vinegar and place it inside the gloves for a few hours before airing them out again. Step 7. Condition leather gloves, if applicable. Apply leather conditioner. For leather gloves, apply a small amount of leather conditioner to a clean cloth and gently rub it into the exterior. This helps prevent the leather from drying out and cracking. Wipe off excess. Use a dry cloth to remove any excess conditioner, ensuring the gloves don't feel greasy. Frequency. Condition leather gloves every 1 to 2 months, depending on usage and the condition of the leather. Step 8. Store properly. Avoid moist environments. Store the gloves in a cool, dry place away from damp gym bags or humid areas. A breathable mesh bag or open shelf is ideal. Keep them open. Store the gloves with the cuffs open to promote air circulation and prevent moisture buildup. Use deodorizers. Keep deodorizers inside the gloves during storage to maintain freshness. Maintenance tips. Clean after every use. Wipe down the exterior and interior after each training session to prevent sweat and bacteria buildup. Use hand wraps. Always wear hand wraps during training to absorb sweat and reduce moisture inside the gloves. Rotate gloves. If you train frequently, consider having 2 pairs of gloves to alternate between sessions, allowing each pair to dry fully. Inspect regularly. Check for signs of wear, such as torn stitching or cracked leather, and address them promptly to avoid further damage. Avoid machine washing. Never put boxing gloves in a washing machine or soak them in water, as this can damage the padding and material. Safety notes. Avoid overwetting. Excess moisture can damage the glove's padding and promote mold growth. Test cleaning products. Before using any new cleaning product, test it on a small, inconspicuous area to ensure it doesn't damage the material. Allergies. If you have sensitive skin, wear gloves while cleaning or ensure all cleaning residues are fully removed to avoid irritation. By following these steps, your boxing gloves will stay clean, odor-free, and in good condition for longer, ensuring a hygienic and comfortable training experience.